We've got a quick 5-minute warm-up, 10 exercises, 30 seconds each with no rest in between. Stand upright and let's start with jumping jacks. Start with your feet together, then jump your feet out as you raise your arms overhead. Go at your own pace and stay nice and light on your feet. Nice work. Let's move on to lunges. Drop into a lunge and push back up using your front foot and repeat on the other legs. Keep your chest lifted as you lunge. Let's move on to inchworms. Start by walking with your hands forward into a high plank, then walk them back out and stand straight up. Repeat the movements and go nice and slow. Nice work guys, now sit on your mat and we'll move on to arm circles. Start by extending your arms out to the side and make small circles forward. You can draw bigger circles as you warm up. Now let's switch directions. Great work. Now get on all fours. Reach your left arm under your body while you rotate your shoulders down towards the mat. Then bring it back up towards the ceiling and repeat. Move slowly and open up your upper back. Nice work, let's repeat the same movement on the other side. Great work, stay on all fours for fire hydrants. Lift one knee out to the side and draw circles with your knees. Keep your core tight. Nice work, let's switch sides and do it slow and control. Great work, now stand upright for lateral lunges. Start by stepping out wide to the side, push your hips back, then drive back to center and repeat on the other side. Keep your chest lifted. Let's finish up with squat reach. Start by squatting down low, then stand up and reach both arms overhead. Keep moving, your body should be all warm up now. Ready for today's workout. And that's the warm-up. Follow your workout schedules using my app and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye.